Alright, this is Jared Caston's 10.8 video with Danny Banky. Alright, for number one, to find the center, it's really easy. Just look at the equation. It's going to be the opposite of whatever the x is minus, so it's going to be -1 because it's +1, because the opposite that of -1, or +1 is -1. And then there's a 0 because y squared is minus nothing, and the radius is basically like what the x squared and y squared equal is the square of the radius, so it's just going to square root that, so you can get r equals the square root of 14, and that's approximate value is 3.742. Alright, for number two, so we have to write an equation, so we just take x minus the x coordinate, which is 1, so it's going to be x minus 1 squared, and y minus 0, which is just going to be y squared. It's going to equal the radius squared, so that's going to be 25. For number three, write the equation of a line with the given information. The center at 5, comma -7, and point at -3, -4. So it's going to be x minus 5 because that's the opposite of 5 is -5. So x minus 5 squared, and then +7 because -7 minus -7 is going to be plus. So it's going to be y plus 7 squared. Alright, then we got to find, so we just use the distance formula. So we're going to have square root of 5 plus 3, or 5 minus -3 squared, plus -7 plus or minus -4 squared is going to equal the r. So we're going to have 8 squared. So the square root of 8 squared plus -3 squared is going to be 64 plus 9 square root of that. And then it's going to be 74. The square root of 74 is going to equal r. We don't need to find out the exact value, although because it's really easy because all you got to do is square it to find, because that's what we want for the equation. So it's going to be square root of square root of 74, so you can just get 74. Well, the equation will equal. Alright, for number four, we got a graph of a circle. So we find the center, it's just going to be the opposite of what we have, the x and the y, so it's going to be 2 and 1. So, and then we find the radius, it's going to be the square root of whatever the equation equals, which is going to be 3 then, because the square root of 9 is 3. So then we find our center at 2, 1, and then we just go up 3, down 3, over 3 to the right, and over 3 to the left. And so then once we get those points graphed, and once they look all nice, then we draw some arcs between them. You gotta just do your best. It doesn't always work out the best. Like right there, that circle doesn't look very good. And as always, we will end with a smiley face, because everyone needs to smile every day.